Here's an exclusive first look at a completely new model from BMW M. The first ever BMW M3 Touring being produced in the assembly line. The combination of M-specific high performance, an increase in available interior space, and the intelligent functionality of a touring model make the BMW M3 G81 a very special vehicle. Before we get into the details, please consider subscribing to DPC Cars for future videos. Here's Nathan with more details.
The BMW M3 Touring 6-cylinder M twin-power turbo engine beneath the bonnet has been confirmed. The widened axles, conspicuously large front air intakes and 4 exhaust tailpipes at the rear leave little doubt that the iconic M DNA will be clear for all to see, even with the car's new body design. One thing is already certain: the BMW M3 Touring is set to take the combination of racing-oriented performance and everyday practicality to the extreme. The first M3 Touring contains all the know-how and the technology from the current BMW M3 and M4 family. Starting with the 510 horsepower motor, the M-specific axles, from the wide tires which are ideal for the driving dynamics to the wide-body chassis, everything that belongs in a proper BMW M3. The extensive development process that the new BMW M3 Touring is going through is proof that it is first and foremost a BMW M3. The test drives of its intensive testing and tuning program also take place on the Nürburgring Nordschleife, the high-speed oval in Nardo, the Sachsenring in Germany, and the Tyrolean Alps. They are the prelude to the creation of a premium mid-range class estate car that has never before provided so much driving fun and precision, nor offered more functional utility in a thoroughbred sports car. With all the qualities of driving dynamics and characteristics that have represented this model series for several generations. This is supplemented by the typical BMW, flexibly usable touring concept characteristics. But it will definitely be more a racehorse than a workhorse. For us and anyone who likes dynamic, autonomous driving on highways and motorways, or just the everyday joy of taming the urban jungle. In short, for everyone for whom there isn't quite enough space available in the BMW M3 sedan and the seating position in the X3M is too high. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, and thank you for watching.